Hello, this is another little trick. For those ladies who don't like the lanyards on your other necklaces, you take the lanyard off and leave the little loop on. You got to close it back up after you take it off. Okay, so you have a real fancy hook. And you take your chain off your pendant. See that? And hook it to the extender chain at the end. Okay, what you want to do is you want to hold it down like this, put the chain to where it comes down in the front. It'll keep you from it looking weird and bumpy. Okay, then you open this up like so, and then you take this and put it through the hoop. Ooh, let me see if I can find a hoop. There you go. See? Now you have a fancy lobster claw clasp, and you have your chain. Then you take the end of your chain like this, and you take the hoop or the bail, whatever it might be. It has to be big enough for it to go through, and you put it through as a double, and then you push it through, and you kind of separate it a little bit at the end, and you open the bail, the hook, and you put it through, and you have a nice clasp. See? And it's shorter chain, and voila, I have a beautiful necklace, but a little shorter. See that, ladies?